Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to repost your videos or reels on Instagram story. If you're using Instagram and now you want to repost your videos or reels, so let's see how can you do this. Just open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. From here you just have to select your video or reel which you have. Just tap on it, then tap on the share icon. From here you must have to look for add to story option. Just tap on it, and after that you will get this type screen. You just have to customize your story which you want, then tap on your story option to set the video as your own story. So here you can see that the video has been posting. So in this way you can easily repost your videos or reels on Instagram story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.